Now, question number 1 of exercise 12.1. The question is, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side equal to A. Now there is a traffic signal board in the shape of an equilateral triangle. Suppose this is an equilateral triangle, correct? And what is written in this equilateral triangle? This is a board, and what is written over here? School ahead, with each side equal to A. All three sides are equal to A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So over here, the first part of the question is that we are going to find area using Heron's formula, correct? So how to find area using Heron's formula? For that, first we will calculate what? Semi-perimeter. First we will calculate semi-perimeter, and semi-perimeter is given by sum of all three sides divided by 2. So all three sides are equal to A over here upon 2. So semi-perimeter is how much? 3A upon 2. So semi-perimeter is given by 3A upon 2. Now we will calculate area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So I am writing Heron's formula over here. So area, this is given by square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now put the values inside the square root. Semi-perimeter is how much? 3A upon 2. Then bracket. Again semi-perimeter is 3 upon 2 minus all three sides are equal to A over here. Again semi-perimeter is 3 upon 2 and all three sides are equal to A. Again semi-perimeter is 3A upon 2 and third side is also equal to A. Now take LCM inside brackets. So this will give you, see, 3A upon 2 will be written as it is. After taking, see, when you will take LCM, 2 will be the LCM, and in the numerator you will get 3A minus 2A. So 3A minus 2A is what? A upon 2. In the same manner over here, after taking LCM you will get A upon 2 into over here also you will get the same result, A upon 2. Now you know very well that inside square root we make pairs, है ना? यहाँ पर pairs बनते कैसे देखो, these two A will make a pair, again these two A will make a pair, these two will make a pair, और ये जो दो 2 हैं ये भी क्या बना लेंगे? पेयर बना लेंगे. So now from each pair one digit will come out or one alphabet will come out. तो देखो from numerator, from this pair an A will come out, and from this pair again one A will come out. From the denominator part, from the first pair this 2 will come out, और यहाँ से भी क्या, एक 2 बाहर आ जाएगा, and what remains inside? Under root 3. So area of this signal board, area of signal board using Heron's formula, this is equal to what? Under root 3 upon 4 into A square. Root 3 upon 4 into A square. So right now we have completed the first part of the question. Now the second part is, if the perimeter of this equilateral triangle is 180 centimeter, then what will be the area of the signal board? Now perimeter is given, how much? 180 centimeter. Perimeter is given 180 centimeter, correct? Now perimeter means sum of three sides, and what are the three sides over here? A plus A plus A. This is equal to 180 centimeter. Now A plus A plus A, this will give you how much? 3A. 3A is equal to 180 centimeter. So this implies A is equal to 180 centimeter upon 3. So therefore A is equal to how much? 60 centimeter. Correct? Now we will calculate area of the signal board. So I am writing over here area of signal board, this is equal to how much? Root 3 upon 4 into a square. Root 3 upon 4 into a square. This is equal to root 3 upon 4. A is how much? 60. So replacing a by 60, so we'll get 60 into 60 centimeter square. Now solve it. 2 2s are 2 30s are, again 2 1s are 2 30s are. So this will give us, the answer will be how much? Area is equal to, therefore I am writing answer over here, therefore area is equal to 30 into 30, this is how much? 900 under root 3 centimeter square.